Right against exploitation. Article 23, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. This provision is further divided into the following. Article 23(1), human trafficking and beggar and other such forms of forced labor are prohibited by virtue of this provision, and any kind of violation of this provision shall be punishable offense under the law. Article 23(2), nothing in this article shall prevent the state from imposing compulsory service for public purposes, and in imposing such service the state shall not make any discrimination based on the grounds of religion, race, caste or class or any of them. This provision not only protects citizens from the state but also from the private citizens. Certain laws were passed by the Parliament with regard to this provision. They are Bonded Labour System Abolition Act 1976 and Suppression of Immoral Traffic in Women and Girls Act 1956. Article 24, prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. This provision states that no child below the age of 14 years must be employed to work in any factory or mine or engaged in any other such hazardous employment. This provision prohibits the employment of children below the age of 14 in any hazardous industry or factories or mines, irrespective of any exceptions, but the employment of children in non-hazardous work is legally allowed. Certain laws were passed by the Parliament with regard to this provision. They are the Factories Act 1948, the Mines Act of 1952, the Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986, Child Labour, that is Protection and Regulation Amendment Act 2016, etc.